here at San Lazaro Leisure and Business Park. Raising just is started. We have Bonggan Timpa moving up the side touch of Plus Airports. I Ray down on the inside and then moving up on the outside. Magic Boyo in the middle portion. Be cool. The next on line is Kuya Ambend. And going along for the first turn, we have Touch of Class Go Airports in second. Down in third now is Be Cool. Down on the inside is Gintong Gantimpala. Promise has Magic My Ray. Boyo second last while Kuya Ambend now running at the tail of the field. Down the back stretch they traveled. We have Touch of Class maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Go Airports in second. Alongside that has Magic. Be Cool is down in fourth. Running by the rail pip comes Gintong Gantimpala. Promise comes next. My Ray. Kuya Amben while Boyo is still racing in last. And at the far turn we have 4 runners fighting out for the lead. Gintong Gantimpala moving up now on the outside is Be Cool. My Ray is down in 6. Then next on line now is Go Airports, then followed by Kuya Amben Boyo, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Gintong Gantimpala by about 3 lengths, and in second is Be Cool. Promises down in third. Touch of Class. Last 100 meters we have Gintong Gantimpala followed by Be Cool. Promise, and nearing the finish line it's Gintong Gantimpala, Be Cool, Promise, Kuya Amben close between Has Magic and Touch of Class.
42317, di ba?